Welcome back to Adobe Illustrator CC. Today we're going to learn how to use the shape builder tool to essentially create shapes. So this is the shape builder tool right here. It has the hotkey of, I believe it's, Shift M. And the way it works, you select objects that are on top of each other, like these shapes, and then you basically can drag across holding down the Shift key to add to your selection, or the Alt option to subtract from the selection. So, and it works on the basis of the idea of the pathfinder command, which you can find under Window and go down to Pathfinder. So this was the old way of creating shapes. So if I want to unify two shapes, so I'll drag over the rectangle and the triangle here. I want to unify those two. I'd click on this little icon here, and that would unite them, and it would become one whole shape. So that's the old way of doing it. Then there's the subtract and some other various pathfinders. So I'm going to close this out and show you how the shape builder would work. I can select everything across here. Again, you want the shapes to be hovering over parts of the other shapes. That is critical. Then you want to make sure you select all the shapes that you're going to interact with the shape builder tool. And then click on the shape builder tool, which kind of looks like a sideways snowman with a little arrow. So I'll click on that icon, and as you hover over the shapes, you'll see a little plus icon. Now if I hold down the Alt option, I will get a minus icon, which is to subtract. So essentially you can see here I can subtract this little bit of the shape, or that, or the whole thing on the inside, and then I can also add any of these shapes together. So for example, I'm going to add this circle to the end of this rectangle just by dragging across here. Once I release, you can see now these two shapes have been combined. But now I can hold down the Alt option and subtract that little bit of the triangle and this little bit. And so now I have those that are subtracted from there. And then I can add whatever parts I want. And then, so if I want to add this part, I can click on it and hold Alt option and click on here, and it will have subtracted that little shape on the inside. And so you can see here I've created this really unique custom shape, except for the fact that this part was not connected. So if I wanted to connect it again, I would have to, again, the process is make sure they overlap, reselect them, and then use that shape builder tool. Again, Alt option subtract. If you want to just add to it, just drag across and you got a unique shape. Pretty cool. So I hope you enjoy the shape builder tool. Until next time, see you soon in Adobe Illustrator CC.